The hell?
¿Cómo es la vida? Hay diferencia reina en nuestra cama. Después de un roce, iniciaba nuestra llama y rogábamos que el tiempo se extendiera para más.
See if I can get this to pour. Oh, actually, it's pouring right. Nope. I thought it was, but it's not. Dang it. Let me try it again with another cup, too. See what it does? Let me get another cup here. God, I thought it was going to pour right, but it didn't. Let's see. Here we go. Let's pour.
Did you fix it?
Nope. I'm trying to do a review. Look at this. I'm not pouring really fast. I'm just pouring. It didn't do it when we very first got it, but let me do it again. Let me see how slow I have to go to get it to... See, look at my counter. All right, let me do it again. Super, super slow. I'm going to pour super slow and see if I can get it to not leak. If I pour really, really slow, it won't leak. Look how long it takes me to fill up a cup of coffee. I mean, it's kind of ridiculously slow. Let me do it one more time so you can see it again. Moving that cup of coffee over. It's going to keep on pouring cups. Okay, here we go. I'm going to, oops, get it away from that spot there. Let me pour it normally. Again, I think it's when you get it below half. Oh, see, it's still doing it. Just pouring a cup of coffee, this is what happens with it. There you have it.
Okay, so this is the Keurig K Duo. So the benefit of this product is that you can use both ground coffee, which you have right here. Basically, you just do the ground and then it just empties into your standard, jar. And then you can also do the K-Pods, which is underneath here. So I'm going to go ahead and get the K-Pod started. Just go ahead and, hit the power button. You hit the K-Pod, and you can choose the size, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounce. I'm just going to do 6. Then you go ahead and just put one of your K-Pods in there. The water's going to heat up, and then you hit that button there. And then once the water heats up, it'll go ahead and dispense, and you'll get your fresh brew. So in the morning, I like to do a K-Pod because I don't have time. I want a quick cup of coffee, but then during the weekend, when I have a little bit more time, I like to do a cup of ground coffee so that I can have it for the entire weekend. And then in the back is the actual reservoir where the water is stored. There. Yeah. So you see that the coffee is now dispensing. Right there. Yeah. Keurig K Duo. If you want both ground coffee and K-Pod 2-in-1.
Just bought this in June. I would say maybe like the first or second week. Just used it a handful of times. The whole first week I had it because obviously I'm redoing my kitchen. I didn't get it out, but I couldn't wait any longer. I wanted coffee. Anywho, was working fine. This morning I made a 12 cupper and it stopped at 8, and I thought that was odd. So I added more water thinking maybe it only suctions so much water out. Well, I won't even turn on now. I can't get it to do anything. So I changed plugs, thinking that maybe it needed to be on a different circuit for some reason. But now I got nothing. And of course, the window to return it was on the 4th. Lovely.
Video of Keurig coffee craft leaking. If that's not defective, I don't know what is. Every cup of coffee, right down to the last drop, leaks. If you're tired of your Keurig leaking every time you pour, get this replacement Craft. I only did this because I broke the other one by mistake, but this is amazing. So I'm going to show you as it pours. Oh, and that's the name of it, Best Bar Cedar something. But here we go. And as you notice, it's clean right now. No drips. No drips. So if you're like me, you were tired of it dripping, this is the perfect replacement. Hope this helps y'all.
This Keurig coffee pot takes the place of 2 coffee pots. I did have a Black & Decker regular coffee pot, a Keurig K-Cup over on the other side of the kitchen. With this one, I got rid of both of them. I just used the one. It'll do 10 K-Cups there. Regular coffee here, up to 12 cups. It's got a big water reservoir. I just fill it up with a quart jar. Now it usually takes a couple quart jars to fill it up, but after I make coffee, I fill it up, you know, with the one. But it does a really, really great job, and I would recommend it to anybody.
Longer strike, perhaps 10 days. Again, right now, the biggest sticking point is how much of a pay hike the union actually gets. Back to you.
The Gorilla Dip Pad, cute little baby. Thank you, Tom Costello. Up next here on Annika Brew reports disturbing video. A beloved public advocate killed in a seemingly random stabbing attack along the city street. The latest on the search for the suspect. And new developments in a case that